Hey guys, welcome back to TechShawn.com. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Logitech wireless keyboard, and the model number is K340. I was hunting in the market for a compact size keyboard to keep my mouse near, which is ergonomically right and gives you that comfort feeling. So I decided to go for a more space saving kind of keyboard, which not only is compact but also should be a full size keyboard with numpad, at the same time not compromising on comfort. Now I decided to go with the brand Logitech because they are the leading brand when it comes to mouse and keyboards, and they have been doing pretty amazing products. And having used many of those, I'm a regular user of Logitech products. I should admit I love this brand. So here it is, the Logitech K340. Let me go ahead and unbox it and tell you more about it. This is the box. There you go. Here's the keyboard. And we have the unifying receiver, which can be used to connect many of the unifying certified Logitech devices using only this adapter. So it does not occupy many of your USB slots, which is pretty cool. Now you can connect your mouse, your keyboard using the same adapter. You don't have to have different adapters for each of your device. Couple of manuals. Here we have the USB extender, which is used to connect your receiver when your CPU is far away. And that's about the box. Now, the Logitech K340 wireless keyboard is designed to save space while still maintaining to include all the functionality of a full-size keyboard. The front of the K340 has a slim design, while the back is a bit thicker. Don't know if you can see it clear in this video, but yes, the back provides the keyboard with a nice angle to type on. The keyboard is powered by two AA batteries, which according to Logitech, they claim it can last up to 3 years on normal circumstances. We have to test it out. Here we also have some storage space where you can store your receiver so it does not get lost. We also have the on-off switch here and a battery indicator on the top right side of the keyboard, which lets you know when to change batteries for a pair of fresh ones. You can use this keyboard when you're traveling. You can take it with you. Believe me or not, it's so compact that it can also be used with laptops for comfortable typing. On the negatives, the arrow keys are awkwardly placed and way too small. You're gonna hate that. The shortcut keys, the buttons require pressing of the function key, which gets annoying at times. It is designed only to work with a PC and it won't work with a Mac. And the next thing would be the build quality is not top notch, could have been a bit better. Apart from that, it's a decent space saving full size wireless keyboard. Check these photos to show you how it looks on my desk. Don't panic, yes, that's one hell size mouse pad. Check out my unboxing on that in a separate video posted. If you're a laptop user, you sure will love using this keyboard on your desktop. So overall, a fantastic space-saving keyboard. Hope this video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to TechShawn.com as always for more tech stuff, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.